What are the three types of geography? The three main types of geography are: physical geography. This branch focuses on the natural features and phenomena of the Earth, such as landforms, climate, ecosystems, and natural resources. Human geography. Human geography examines the relationship between people and their environment, including topics like population, culture, urbanization, and economic activities. Environmental geography is the study of how the environment, including natural resources, ecosystems, and human activities, interacts and impacts our planet. Here are examples for each of the three main types of geography. Physical geography is study of mountains, such as the Himalayas or the Rocky Mountains. Research on climate patterns in a specific region. Analysis of river systems like the Amazon River. Exploration of desert ecosystems like the Sahara. Human geography is the examination of population growth and migration patterns in a city. Research on cultural diversity and languages in a country. Analysis of urban development and land use in a metropolitan area. Study of economic activities and trade routes between countries. Environmental geography is the study of deforestation in the Amazon rainforest and its impact on the environment. Research on pollution levels and their effects on air and water quality in an industrial area. Analysis of climate change and its consequences for sea level rise and coastal communities. Investigation into conservation efforts for endangered species and their habitats. These examples showcase how each type of geography explores different aspects of the Earth's physical and human environments. What is meant by natural changes on Earth? Give examples. Natural changes on Earth refer to the processes and events that occur in the environment due to natural factors, without significant human influence. There are different types of natural changes. Geological changes. Plate tectonics. The movement of Earth's tectonic plates leads to the creation of mountains, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Erosion and sedimentation. Natural erosion by wind and water can reshape landscapes and deposit sediments in riverbeds and deltas. Climate change. Seasonal variations. The changing of seasons is a natural climatic cycle that affects temperature, precipitation, and daylight hours. Glacial and interglacial periods. Earth experiences natural ice ages and warmer interglacial periods over long geological timescales. Ecological changes. Succession. The natural process by which plant and animal communities evolve over time, leading to changes in ecosystems. Natural disasters. Events such as wildfires, hurricanes, and droughts can bring ecological changes to affected regions. Astronomical changes. Astronomical phenomena. Natural events like solar eclipses, lunar phases, and meteor showers occur due to the movement of celestial bodies. Climate variability. Variations in Earth's orbit and axial tilt cause long-term climate changes over thousands of years. Oceanographic changes. Tides. The gravitational pull of the Moon and the Sun leads to regular tidal changes in ocean water levels. Ocean currents. Natural currents in the oceans, such as the Gulf Stream, influence global climate and marine ecosystems. Biotic change. Evolution. Natural selection and genetic variation drive changes in the characteristics and diversity of species over time. Extinction. Natural events, like asteroid impacts, have caused mass extinctions, altering the course of life on Earth. These natural changes are fundamental to the functioning of our planet and have occurred over millions of years, shaping Earth's landscapes, climate, ecosystems, and biodiversity. What is meant by map? Maps are used to convey spatial information and help people understand the layout, features, and characteristics of geographical locations. Maps serve various purposes, from navigation and planning to education and research. They are essential tools for understanding and representing the spatial aspects of our world. A map is a visual representation or drawing of a geographical area, providing information about its features, boundaries, and locations in a simplified and understandable way. Maps serve a wide range of purposes, from navigation and planning to education and research, providing a visual representation of the Earth's features and characteristics. Maps can represent various types of information, including topography. Maps can display the physical features of an area, such as mountains, rivers, and valleys. Political boundaries. Political maps show borders between countries, states, or regions. Roads and transportation. Road maps highlight road networks, highways, and transportation routes. Nautical charts. Nautical maps, or charts, are used for navigation on the seas and oceans, showing water depths and hazards. Thematic information. Maps can be thematic, focusing on specific themes like population distribution, climate, vegetation, or geology. Cadastral maps. These maps display land parcel boundaries and ownership information, commonly used in property records. City maps. City maps provide details of urban areas, including streets, landmarks, and attractions. Aerial and satellite imagery. Aerial and satellite maps use photographs or images taken from above the Earth's surface. Historical maps. Historical maps show how an area has changed over time and can be used for research and educational purposes. What is a compass? A compass is a navigational tool that helps determine direction, primarily by indicating the direction of the Earth's magnetic north pole. It typically consists of a magnetic needle that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing towards the magnetic north. This allows users to find the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Compasses are valuable tools for navigation, whether in outdoor activities like hiking and camping, maritime navigation, or orienteering. They provide a reliable means of finding direction, even when other navigational aids are unavailable. Modern compasses may also incorporate additional features, such as rotating bezels for measuring angles or marking waypoints. What is an aerial photograph? An aerial photograph, or aerial photo, is a photograph of the Earth's surface taken from an elevated position, usually from an aircraft or drone. Aerial photographs provide a unique perspective of the landscape and can be used for various purposes, including cartography, urban planning, environmental monitoring, and scientific research. They offer a top-down view and are valuable for capturing large areas or specific features from the air. Aerial photography can be used to document land use, study terrain and landforms, monitor environmental changes, plan construction projects, and much more. Aerial photographs are an essential tool in fields like geography, geology, urban planning, and agriculture. What is a satellite image? A satellite image is a picture or representation of the Earth's surface captured by an artificial satellite orbiting in space. These images are taken from space and provide a bird's-eye view of large geographic areas. Satellite images are widely used in various fields, including meteorology, agriculture, environmental monitoring, cartography, and more. They help scientists, researchers, and policymakers observe and analyze various aspects of the Earth, such as weather patterns, land use, vegetation, ocean conditions, and changes in the environment. These images are instrumental in understanding and addressing global and regional issues. What is Google Earth? Google Earth is a computer program, web-based application, and mobile app developed by Google that allows users to explore and interact with a 3D representation of the Earth. It provides a virtual globe, enabling users to view geographic locations and features, including landscapes, cities, and landmarks, from a global scale down to street-level details. Key features of Google Earth include satellite imagery. Google Earth provides high-resolution satellite imagery of Earth's surface, allowing users to zoom in and explore specific regions, cities, and even individual buildings. Street View. Users can access Google's Street View feature, which provides ground-level, 360-degree panoramic imagery of streets and places, allowing for virtual exploration at eye level. Geographic information. Google Earth integrates a wealth of geographic information, such as place names, borders, landmarks, and more, displayed as labels and markers on the map. Historical imagery. Users can access historical satellite imagery to see how areas have changed over time. Measurements and drawing tools. Google Earth offers measurement and drawing tools, enabling users to calculate distances, create paths, and mark specific locations. Tour creation. Users can create and share interactive tours, guiding viewers through a sequence of locations and points of interest. Google Earth is a versatile tool used for various purposes, including education, travel planning, urban planning, environmental monitoring, and geographical research. It provides a virtual window to explore and learn about the world. What is GIS? GIS stands for Geographic Information System. It is a technology and software-based system used to capture, store, analyze, manage, and present geographical or spatial data. GIS combines various types of data, such as maps, satellite imagery, databases, and more, to understand and visualize patterns, relationships, and trends in geographic information. Key features of GIS include data integration. GIS can incorporate data from multiple sources, allowing users to overlay and analyze different types of information. Mapping. GIS software is used to create maps, displaying geographic data in a visual format. Spatial analysis. GIS enables complex spatial analysis, helping users answer questions and make decisions based on spatial relationships. Data query and retrieval. Users can query GIS databases to retrieve specific information based on geographic criteria. Geospatial modeling. GIS can be used to create models and simulations for various purposes, such as urban planning or environmental impact assessment. Data visualization. GIS tools provide graphical representations of data, making it easier to understand and communicate complex spatial information. GIS is widely used in a variety of fields, including urban planning, environmental management, transportation, public health, agriculture, and disaster response, among others. It plays a crucial role in making informed decisions and solving spatially related problems. If you liked today's lesson, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.